It's against the law. Wait 1 second. Hello? Hello? I didn't order anything from PSU. Put it down. It's a puppy! Look, it's the puppy you've always wanted. Oh my gosh, a puppy! Okay, girl, get out of our house. Bye. Dear, what these kind of dog treats could be.
So we can read it.
Oh, I'm gonna name you Hank. Can you figure it out? Mom, what's it say? I don't know how to read. It says, I don't know. I don't know. I have no clue. Let's go. Give up. Come on, it's time to go to bed. Okay. Time to go to bed. Put the dog down. Okay, time to go to bed. Can we give him a treat? Yes, you can give him a treat. Okay. Here that poster was awful nice. Here you go. Nice. Let's go. Let's go get on our PJs, Mom. Okay. Show us here, okay? Mama, don't forget to take off your glasses. Don't you have to go watch her brush her teeth? What? Brush your teeth, honey. Okay. Gosh. Mama, my toothbrush is out of batteries. Uh-oh. I'll just have to do it in circles. Okay. Know how to fix our owl dog? I do. Okay. Well then tell us. Tell us. Thank you. I'm sorry. Why would I want to tell you? Cause maybe you're just that kind of nice person. Oh, who am I kidding? You changed our dog into an owl. Well, half owl. I tried to tell you. Oh, here's my little owl. Maybe I will. No, why would I tell you? Again, why would because this is horrifying. Who wants to live with a dog that looks like an owl? I would. Wait, I think I've got a suggestion. Ready? Here's the genius. Thank you, Mama! Now we gotta deal with you! Time to send you to jail! No! Ruin! Anyone out for pizza? So what's for dinner? And cut! Thank you! Thank you! We are so happy that you saw our show. I think you will love it. Whoa, this is dog is not actually. And this is Hank! As owl dog, Hank Kerr. Thank you! Thank you! Wait, let's restart that. No. It's ruined. Oh, I told her what to do in the bottom. I have to redo it. And Molly, I'm supposed to say that line. Okay.
Oh, here it comes again. First the crack and then the break. Can't keep the promises you make. And well, I heard you're a flirt, and you're milking it for all it's worth. Yeah, you caught me with your playful eye. Thought you bought